वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ कहते हैं कि चीन, अफ्रीका, मशरिक़ वस्ता, यूरोप, अमरीका, तुर्की और दीगर ममालिक से मुअज़्ज़िज़ीन को देख कर खुशी हुई। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान की 60% से ज़्यादा आबादी नौजवानों पर मुश्तमिल है।
A history spanning over thousands of years. And I'd like to appreciate and congratulate Minister of Commerce, Secretary of Commerce and his team, and all of the related departments to organize such a wonderful event. Welcome ministers from Uganda and our ambassador from China, Mr. Hashmi. He has done a remarkable job, and Turkish Consul General and Chinese Consul General over here, and all other our dignitaries, our friends from foreign countries. Here is an opportunity. Pakistan is marching towards growth and prosperity. In this hall, you will find great minds in the field of engineering, pharmaceutical industry, agriculture, agricultural machinery, mines and minerals, and of course, information technology and AI. But above all, we have a very young population. Our young population probably comprise of more than 60% of our total population in the bracket of 15 to 30 years. And they are great minds. They are equipping themselves with modern techniques, vocational training which we are offering them in Islamabad. Here in Punjab, the Chief Minister is doing a great job in this province, Maryam Nawaz Sharif, Chief Minister of Sindh, Shah Sahab, Balochistan and KP. And God Almighty has bestowed upon Pakistan very valuable natural resources. And here is the opportunity to have joint ventures in the field of mines and minerals. I've just gone through that great exhibition where you have stalls of gems, jewelry, agricultural machinery, stones, and lots of other pharmaceutical and other wonderful stalls you will see there. And that shows our strength, which we want to combine with all of you representing countries all around the world. And the agreement which you have signed, great opportunities in these fields. And let us have innovation. Let us have research and development. And let us have more technologies which would result into economic production, more employment, and getting rid of those costs of production which make us uncompetitive vis-a-vis other countries. Therefore, as you all know, and I would like to reiterate at the cost of repetition, that today Pakistan inflation has come down to 1.5%,